So today I'm here in Paris. I flew over to London for SneakerCon, and me and Yeezy Busta decided to make a day of it and go to Paris. So that's what we did. I've never been to Paris, I've never been to France, and I'm really excited. So we're gonna hit up Supreme, we're gonna hit up the Eiffel Tower, we're gonna hit up the Louvre, and whatever French sort of goodness is going on. So let's get to it. So the first place we hit was Nike Lab, and I didn't expect to actually buy anything, but then they had the PSNYs, and I couldn't help myself, so I got them. So we're Eiffeling, bro. We made it to the tower.
We're here. We went to Paris. Finally, officially. Verified.
Verified. Yeezy busted. Myth busted. Do you think I can get my finger on top of it?
I don't know. I wish you had my camera so then you'd be able to see
the screen, yeah. It is what it is.
I'm assuming it's right here.
Yeah, let me see if I can do it.
Did I do it?
Oh, totally nailed it, man.
Did I actually?
Yeah, I totally got it.
No, you're definitely gonna edit me and make me look like an idiot.
Oh yeah, no, you're an idiot, for sure. He and me have pretty much finished like our shopping for the day. I got some shoes, he got some Louis stuff, he got some Adidas stuff. That's all crazy, it's all dope. You should definitely check it out on his channel, I guess, or his Instagram. Are you gonna put it on like your YouTube at all or not?
Possibly.
Possibly. You'll possibly see it. Yeezy Busta's about to make the biggest bust of his entire career. I think that's it for the time that we have. I think that's 100% it. So it's been a good like 24 hours, and let's get to it. So I just got back last night. Yeezy Busta and I landed at Gatwick, and my hotel is all the other way on the other side of London. His is in the center of London, so I took like a 60-pound Uber or 60-pound taxi to my hotel, which kind of sucked, but I was way too wiped to film this part of the video and just like finish everything off. So that's what this is. My voice is gone, which is great. I didn't know that was gonna happen, so it's gone. But like I said, before I end off the video, I wanna show you guys what I picked up. You guys already know what it was because you saw me buy it, but I do wanna show you guys like sort of a closer look at these PSNY Air Force Ones, which are really dope. Right now, resale isn't anything crazy. I think it's maybe like $20, $30 over retail on StockX. And so I was originally gonna buy them off there. So seeing them at Nike Lab, I was like, I'll just grab them. But man, these are sick. So they're made to look like prototypes, kind of like Off-White. They've got like a sample tag on them. They've got not for resale on the pull tab. Honestly, I kind of wanted the gray pair more, but the white pair was the only one they had a size 9 in. But the white pair was my second choice because I wasn't a huge fan of the black pair. It just kind of looked pretty plain, and like you kind of lost all the details with the color. So with this white one, you can really see all the really nice stitching and all kind of like the floppy accents, which I really dig. I had like a whole bunch of clips that I just can't show you guys because the mic was screwing up, which is so frustrating. It's one of those things like you don't realize is going wrong until you watch the clips back later on in the day, and you're like, well, we're not in front of the Eiffel Tower anymore. I can't record any more of the of that sort of stuff, so it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. But now the plan is to actually go to SneakerCon London, which is right behind me in the Excel Convention Center. I'm actually staying in a hotel that's just next to it, and it should be a lot of fun. Last year, SneakerCon London was like one of the best SneakerCons ever. It was just like a bunch of really great people speaking in awesome accents, which is dope. But yeah, this year I'm actually planning to pick some stuff up, so we'll see. Let me know what you guys think of this vlog format. I know I've done vlogs, well, actually quite a lot of vlogs in the past, and they just don't really perform the way I want them to, and that's nothing against you guys. It's just like they're not like something you guys want to click on. So that makes me think, like, do you guys even want to see vlogs? So let me know in the comment section down below whether you want to see more vlogs or whether it's just something you don't really care about, because honestly, this channel is about you guys. It's not about me. So let me know what you guys want to see. And that's about it for me, guys. London's looking rainy as usual. Not mad though. I'll be inside most of the day, so I can't complain. So I just got to SneakerCon a little bit early. I like to come early because I like to check out the vendors before like stuff really starts getting crazy and hype. So I'm gonna take a look around at what we got. I think I see Foot Locker, I see Rejuvenator, I see tons of like, I mean everything, honestly. This is a really great event. Damn it, I'm gonna buy some shoes today, aren't I? I'm definitely going to. So as you guys know, I love Rejuvenator. I use Rejuvenator on all my shoes. This is the Rejuvenator booth right back there. They always hook it up. So guys, if you want, check them out. Make sure to by clicking the link in the description down below. Use the code Seth for 10% off your entire order because their products are awesome. They keep all my shoes clean and they have a travel pack now, which I've been using this entire trip. So far, I've seen 2 Element Reacts that I really like. There's the blue and red one, and then there's the green Volt one, but none of the colorways that like I'm in love with, like that green and brown one, and then like that blue and brown one. So I don't know, but the prices aren't bad, which is the problem. So guys, I found the pair, I found it for a good price. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it.
Come with a tag on it or no?
This doesn't, StockX doesn't come like that, does it? I've never gotten a receipt like, I don't know.
It doesn't look like that. Unless they printed it here.
So I ran back to the hotel really quickly because my internet in SneakerCon was just trash. So I really wanted to go for these pine greens. I got next day shipping. I'm trying to review these guys. No one actually had my size over there, which was crazy. But as you guys saw, I got the undercover reacts. Super hyped on these. I have a bad feeling this isn't gonna work, even though there's a ton of these. I never have any luck with sneakers app. I used to be really not good at it, but I used to have like really good luck with it and get everything. But now it's like, get most of my stuff from StockX, get lucky in a store, but never on the sneakers app, which is unfortunate. Now the internet's not even working. What the hell? It's 3:03. It's probably gone. Hopefully most people are going for the purple pair because that's a more limited pair. So we can only hope. Pending. Oh, I'm on the wrong account. When I was running out, I ran into someone that said what's up, and I felt really bad because I was like rushing. And so if it was you, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try and go back to you and say what's up at SneakerCon because, oh, let's go. Sick. That actually made my day. I bet everyone got the green pair. That's the only reason I got them. I bet you. Because that's usually what happens. Like everyone gets them. But no, let's take a look at some of the other stuff I got. So the Nike Epic Reacts right here. Picked these up a couple minutes ago from a really nice guy. So this colorway isn't my favorite out of the bunch, I'm gonna be honest with you. But out of the 2 colorways that have dropped in London so far, this is probably the better one. I really like the 2 other colorways the most, to be honest with you, but they still haven't dropped yet, so it is what it is. I'm really surprised that these aren't as hyped as people were making them out to be. Even I was making them out to be. Actually, something else is kind of interesting. So inside the shoe, instead of your cork insole, you've got this like mesh insole, which is different. I don't know how I'm gonna fit both of these boxes in my suitcase. Okay, so damn, so today was, I got every single shoe that I wanted. Oh, it's pouring outside now. Thank God I came back because I do not want to bring these shoes back in the rain. I'm gonna end the video right here because honestly, I think I got all the footage that I wanted. SneakerCon was great. It was a blast. Thank you again to SneakerCon for flying me out for this. Thank you to Alan. Thank you to Will. Thank you everyone involved. It's been a great experience. It's crazy that I got all the shoes that I wanted today. And the PSNY Air Force Ones in Paris. This trip has been nuts. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Also make sure to check out Rejuvenator. There's gonna be a link in the description below. Use their discount code Seth for 10% off your entire order. They've always been looking out for me. Seriously, these people need to stop texting me. I'm mad, but I'm actually feeling pretty good about it because it makes me feel popular because I never get text messages. So that's, I'm definitely fronting for the camera. Again, thank you guys for everything. Thank you for the support. I'll see you guys in the next video.